Introducing the heavy-duty Adaptable cart, your new mobile workstation. Built to be so useful, this cart will make your toolbox jealous. It comes with a wide range of customizable features, like a flip-up shelf for extra space, an adjustable handle for ergonomic comfort, a V-notch for safer pipe cutting, adaptable movable hooks, and over 25 slots for secure storage. And if that wasn't enough for you, it also has a 500-pound weight capacity. Handle any job that comes your way with the heavy-duty Adaptable cart from Rubbermaid Commercial Products.